In this video we are going to talk about 10 ways to make money at home. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Making additional money with a side hustle doesn't have to be difficult. Could you make $200 extra monthly? Sure. We all have additional time, but it rarely feels like it. But it's also easy to make some extra cash. We're not talking about making millions here. We're talking about performing little tasks to make quick cash. Depending on your skills, you might easily make an extra $100 or $1,000 per month. So, let's get started. Number 10. Rent out your home. Rental of your home is another method to generate income from the comforts of your own home. Vacation rentals have become a significant industry as a result of the success of Airbnb. While the market existed prior to the entrance of Airbnb, it has surely grown by leaps and bounds since the company's entry into the picture in 2010. The acquisition of luxury retreats by Airbnb in 2017 was the latest in a string of consolidations in the vacation rental industry, which has seen leading sites such as Invited Home acquire PPG Rentals and Season Dreams platforms, as well as Expedia's $3.9 billion acquisition of another vacation rental behemoth, HomeAway. It doesn't matter how big or little your home or condo is, the market is growing and the timing is right to get in on the action. Number 9. Launch an e-commerce site. The growth of e-commerce is exploding. Despite the fact that Amazon has the lion's share of the market, users are flocking to the site when there are excellent deals to be had. Many top-tier internet marketers like Neil Patel, Dean Graziosi, David Sharp, John Reese and a host of other well-known names have benefited from free plus shipping e-commerce and book funnels and have amassed substantial wealth as a result. In the end, it all boils down to the execution of sales funnels in an e-commerce setting. The truth is that a lot of what consumers believe about traditional e-commerce sites taking months or even years to create and costing a small fortune is simply untrue. Number 8. Online tutoring. Websites such as Schooly, TutorMe, and Tutor.com give resources for people who want to go into the online tutoring business for a little fee. You are not required to use a platform like these to enter the market, but they do give a lower friction entry point into the market. You might also look for online tutoring jobs on a variety of different websites, such as Upwork, Freelancer, and others, to supplement your income. You may tutor a variety of subjects over the internet. If you're multilingual, you could easily tutor a subject such as math or science while also teaching a foreign language to your students. Along with teaching musical instruments like the guitar or piano, you might also teach a variety of other subjects to your students. Number 7. Start a blog. Blogs are unquestionably one of the most effective ways to generate passive income, even while traveling around the globe. While the process of beginning a blog is straightforward, it is necessary to put in the necessary time and effort in order to reap the benefits. Plant the seeds now so that you can reap the benefits later. The process of producing cash from your blog and expanding your business is uncomplicated once it gets up and running. Simply put, more material must be created, and more deals must be lined up. As your blog's popularity rises, you'll be able to recruit outstanding talent, who will write for you in exchange for a single, extremely powerful link back to their respective websites. Number 6. Build sales funnels. Every successful business has an automated sales funnel. Despite this, many businesses are completely unconcerned with the importance of a well-designed funnel. Sales funnels help to automate the sales process. They assist you in developing a relationship with your audience and a bond with the customer. There are several tools available to help you develop a sales funnel, however the world's most successful companies frequently employ custom-coded funnels. A free offer, often known as a lead magnet, is a common starting point for expert sales funnels. You build trust with the consumer by providing value in the lead magnet. A self-liquidating offer, also known as a tripwire, is frequently found in the next phase. With prices ranging from $7 to $47, these are hard to resist. Aside from that, the front-end offer, as well as one-time offers, are regularly used to increase the customer's lifetime value and average cart value. While sales funnels include a lot of technical features, understanding them today, right now, could put you on the path to better online marketing prowess. It can also help you scale your business by increasing your ad spend after optimizing a conversion rate. Number 5. Build a side hustle business. Many profitable side hustle enterprises can be started from the comfort of your own home, and there is a plethora of ideas for profitable side hustle businesses to consider. While it is simple to start a business, putting in the necessary effort to advertise and expand that firm is a bit more difficult to accomplish. The difficult thing is sticking with them to the end. While you may start a standard business selling other people's products, you could also start your own business by inventing a new product. While enterprises based on inventions may appear to be more difficult to start up, they do give excellent investment prospects, as seen on famous television shows such as Shark Tank. Number 4. Trade cryptocurrency. As the digital world evolves, so does our currency. What seemed like a curiosity yesterday will finally become the primary channel for money. Gallup research indicated that 10% of consumers claim to use cash as their preferred payment method in 2016, down from 19% in 2011. Down from 19% in 2011. While Bitcoin is still relatively new, it will ultimately become the standard. Bitcoin and Ethereum might be the dominant cryptocurrency platforms today, but the US dollar will eventually become the digital dollar by leveraging the blockchain. You can take advantage of the recent surge in cryptocurrencies by trading it through platforms like eToro and Kraken, amongst many others. Number 3. Sell services on Fiverr. Since its debut, Fiverr has experienced substantial growth. You can sell just about any service under the sun on the internet today, and it's a massive marketplace to do so. This is excellent if you want to generate money online as a digital nomad, or even while sitting at home in your jammies, working on your laptop. What exactly can you sell on Fiverr is a matter of debate. Services ranging from graphics and design to digital marketing, writing and translation services, video and animation services, music and audio, programming and application development, business services, and lifestyle services that include everything from celebrity impressions to video game development are available. Number 2. Sell stuff on eBay or Craigslist. In current society, a significant portion of the population earns a full-time living by selling stuff on Craigslist and eBay. You can do this by selling your own stuff, or you can assist others in selling their items in exchange for a modest commission. Selling on eBay is more difficult than selling on Craigslist, and you'll need to build a good reputation before you can start selling high-ticket items. Selling on Craigslist is easier than selling on eBay. eBay, on the other hand, provides materials for sellers to assist you in becoming familiar with the platform. Take the time to conduct due diligence on the platform and research it thoroughly. In comparison to someone who is completely new to the field of digital marketing, if you already have some excellent online marketing skills, you will find this lot easier. Number 1. Become a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you can earn money by assisting people in completing activities at their place of business. A virtual assistant position can be a low-friction entry point into the digital services business if you are well organized and have the ability to manage your time effectively. You may easily carry out these responsibilities as a remote worker, regardless of where you live. Finding employment as a virtual assistant is simple, thanks to websites such as Upwork, Indeed.com, and Remote.co.uk. Search for and submit bids for the jobs that have already been posted. You'll require good communication abilities, as well as proficiency in the English language and familiarity with common web and business software program. What do you think about our video? Please let us know in the comments area below. If you enjoyed this video and would want to hear from me again, please subscribe and turn on the notification before leaving. Thank you for watching us.